Yes.
Baba.
You need to respect them, okay? You need to respect
Baba.
and understand. Do you
Baba.
understand, Teacher Jai? Do you understand
Baba.
me? Yes.
Baba. Baba.
If you want to pass by, you need to say